Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to fix Rockstar Games verification problems in 2026. If you're not receiving the email code or verification is failing, don't worry, we'll fix it step by step, so let's get started. First, make sure you're using the correct email address linked to your Rockstar Games account. Even a small mistake in the email can stop verification from coming through. Next, check your inbox properly. Look in your spam, junk, or promotions folder because sometimes the verification email ends up there instead of your main inbox. If you still don't see it, click the option to resend the verification email. Wait a few minutes, and then check again. Now make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can delay or block verification emails from being received properly. You should also try logging out and logging back in before requesting a new verification code. This can refresh the system and fix temporary glitches. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. These can interfere with Rockstar's security system and prevent verification from working. Another step is clearing your browser cache and cookies if you are verifying through a web browser. Old data can sometimes block the process. If nothing works, try switching devices. For example, move from phone to PC or vice versa and try verifying again. And finally, if the issue still continues, you may need to contact Rockstar support for manual verification help. And that's it. One of these methods should fix your verification issue and get your account working again. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides like this. I'll see you in the next one. Alright, so